All right, this is an example of the FOIL method, and you only use this method when you're multiplying two binomials together. My handwriting kind of sucks tonight. Okay, now FOIL, which is F-O-I-L, F stands for first. All right. And when I'm looking at my two binomials, the 2x is the first term in that set of parentheses, that binomial, and the 3x is the first term in that binomial. And so I'm just going to multiply them. 2x times 3x is a 6x squared. Then you go to the O, and O stands for outside. Some books say outer. I like the word outside. And when you're looking at this, the 2x, which is right here, and the positive 4, those are your outsides because they're on the very ends of both ends of this, so they call it the outsides. You multiply those together. So 2x times 4 is a positive, so put a plus sign down, 8x. And another color, let's go with blue. I stands for inside. And that would be this positive 5 and this positive 3x. You're going to multiply those together. It's a positive 5 times a positive 3x, which a positive times a positive is a positive. So put a plus sign down. And then 5 times 3x is 15x. And then one more color. How about purple? Then you get to L, and L stands for last. And just like the 2x and the 3x were the first terms in each binomial, the positive 5 and the positive 4, those are the last terms in each binomial. And positive 5 times positive 4 is a, sorry about that, a positive 20. And that's what you get here when you multiply those together. Now that's the FOIL process, which is all multiplication, but I'm not done because these two guys right here in the middle, about 99% of the time, outsides and insides end up being like terms. So you just combine those, and 8x's plus 15x's would be 23x's. And then of course you still have the 6x squared in the beginning. And since that's a positive 23x, just put a plus sign down. And then you still have the plus 20 for your last term. So you end up multiplying two binomials together and you get a trinomial answer most of the time. But that only happens if the outsides and the insides are like terms. And then you can combine them. And that's the FOIL method.